Random access memory explained in detail. RAM, or random access memory, is a crucial component of computers, serving as short-term memory that allows for quick data access. It temporarily stores data needed for currently running applications, enabling fast performance and multitasking. Imagine you're working at a desk. You pull out books, papers, pens, and tools you need from a cabinet, and place them on the desk so you can work quickly. The desk is your RAM, and the cabinet is your hard drive storage. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is one of the most important components of a computer, holding data temporarily while the computer is powered on. Key functions of RAM include loading the operating system during startup, running applications and background processes, temporarily storing files for faster access, allowing multitasking by quickly switching between apps. RAM. Storage HDD/SSD. Temporary memory. Permanent memory. Much faster. Slower compared to RAM. Erased when power is off. Data remains after shutdown. Use for currently running programs. Use for saving files long-term. Different types of RAM serve various purposes. DRAM, dynamic RAM, is most common in PCs and needs refreshing. SRAM, static RAM, is faster and used in cache memory. How much RAM do you need? 4 GB for basic tasks like browsing and email. 8 GB for multitasking and office work. 16 GB for gaming. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this explanation of RAM insightful and helpful in understanding its role in computing.